My name is Kevin Britt, and I'm presenting my Flatiron School Final Rails project. This is a website called Politibro. Politibro is essentially a forum or a message board where users can create their own memes or images, post them, and then have other users comment on them. And the idea for this website actually came from me after watching one of the most recent presidential debates. I felt like everything was very chaotic, and so I wanted to create something that um, would give users the ability to discuss, political issues, but without taking it so seriously. So I wanted people to be able to post whatever memes they wanted, and everyone can see them, and then you just have an open discussion with other users in the comments section about that meme. So I also really wanted to gain experience doing something that was focused on social media. I feel like social media is everywhere. Forums and message boards are huge right now. People being able to talk with each other is very important. And so I wanted to use this opportunity to create something that would help give me knowledge of that aspect of social media. So I decided to use Devise in order to take care of the authorization for users and the creation of registrations and current user and all of that. And I wanted to do Devise because I've never used it before, and I wanted to gain that experience so that in the future, when I see it or if I'm asked to use it, I'll know basically what I'm doing with it. And so here's the login page. Um, First thing you'll notice is that we have Omnia, so we can sign in with Facebook here. And I'm already logged into Facebook, so it took me here. We'll go ahead and log out and then sign out here, sign in with Facebook, and then it actually takes you to the login to Facebook page. And then you click this again to be able to log in, and now here you are. And so kbrit510 is my username here because it's the tag that's prepended before the @gmail in the email address that I use for Facebook. But say we go here, and I say sam@gmail. Actually, first things first, if I do this, it'll tell you invalid email or password if I don't put a password in. Similarly, if we go to sign up, we don't put anything in, it'll say email can't be blank. I've already created this user, and say I put in some password, it'll actually say, email has already been taken, and then et cetera, et cetera. So we'll go back to login. We'll just say sam@gmail.com, put password, then we log in, and now the username is Sam. So this is the home page for Politibro, and basically it is the memes index page because I wanted everybody to have access to this page because this is sorted by new. So this is the most recent posting followed by descending order. So you actually see October 18th, and then you've got October 17th and 16th for exit, and so on and so forth. So I decided to use the Bootstrap card functionality for each of these posts because it allots them the same amount of space, and it actually looks a lot more appealing to the eye than having all of these images be different sizes and then it kind of like stretching. I was running into a lot of issues with overlap of images and images stretching and all that, and I feel like this actually works perfectly because you've got the meme and then a description of it and then a little bit of information here about the posted information, and then a link to go to that meme show page. So what we'll do is, first things first, we'll go to create new meme. So if we want to post a new meme, we actually don't store any of the images in our database for Politibro. We just get the images from a URL linking to another page. So the image or the link that you have to submit needs to be an actual image. So it won't accept gibberish right here. It'll actually give you an error that says title must link to an actual image and the description can't be blank. So now we'll say I actually just got an image and it is of Dave Chappelle, and then create image or create new meme, and here it is, created by Sam. Up here you can see, and then there's no comments on it so far. So since I created this meme, I can actually delete it using this link, or I can create a new comment here. This leftover. It'll say start a fight. It's kind of antagonizing people to get a little aggressive with their comments, just to have a little bit of fun with it. So we can say, Dave is so funny. Create comment. And then here we go. Sam says, Dave is so funny. Posted October 18th. Now, because I created this comment, I actually have the option to delete or edit it. So we can go to edit and say, just kidding at the end, update comment, and there you go. Similarly, if you delete it and hit update, it doesn't change. So you have to actually make a change to it in order for it to save. But if I don't say anything here, it'll say your comment can't be blank. Then moving back, we can hit delete to delete the comment, no problem. Or similarly, say you go home, here's the meme we just created. You can delete this meme. Are you sure you want to delete this hilarious meme? Okay, and now it's gone. What else? So you can actually see other people have posted. I've tried to make it look realistic, putting some comments in here, except for that one. And got some comments here. I can't actually do anything with other people's comments, right? So the links only appear if I'm the user. But say, for example, we go to this edit page for Sam, right? So we take this link, and then we sign out. Then we sign in with Facebook to go to log into KBrit. And then now, if I'm this user and I go here and I try to edit this, it's going to say you did something wrong, of course. So it won't let you edit other people's comments. And I also didn't want people to be able to delete other people's memes. So that functionality is actually blocked off as well. If you were to somehow get the GET request or the POST request for a different controller action that didn't exist. So everything is carefully regulated. Make sure that other users can't do anything funny with your memes or your comments. And that's basically it. I think that about covers it. Oh, also, in terms of nested routes, so you get a new comment. This is actually a nested route. So you've got parent comment memes and then comments new, as you're creating new comment, and here it is. And similarly, you can actually click on your name up here and be taken to an index page for all of your memes. So you've got users, ID, and then the index for memes. And these are all the memes that this user, KBrit510, has posted. So that about sums it up. In the future, I'd like to add some sort of upvoting or liking a photo. And similarly, I'd like to have different tags for images, so you can sort by if you want to tag it as being Republican or Democrat or something, just for laughs. You could do that, and then be able to sort it by that particular either Republican or Democrat, for example. But that about covers my project, and I'm actually really proud of what I've done here. I think this is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. I think that I worked really hard on it, and it took me a long time, and I'm actually very proud of what I've created here. So I'm really happy to share it with you. Thank you.